Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the back panel screw on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is damaged, broken, or missing. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance that we'll be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So we're going to start by turning our dryer around. So you see on our back panel, we've got a bunch of screws that are holding that on, but we're missing one right there. So it's going to be a little bit loose. So in order to fix that, we're going to need a new screw. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So we'll line up our screw, and we're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver in order to put it in. And we'll screw that in. So after you've got that screwed in, you can turn your dryer around and your repair is complete. So have you ever wondered who cleans the bottom of the ocean? Well, I've got your answer. It's a mermaid. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.